Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can bypass iOS 16 device with the Mina Ramdisk activator tool. Mina Ramdisk activator tool. As you can see, I have the phone here. It is iPhone X and it is updated to the latest iOS version from Apple. So let's see how you can bypass this with the signal full bypass. Face ID is working, iMessage is working, iCloud login is working, and with the signal full. Let's get started. As you can see, this iCloud has been logged with iOS. You can see here clearly it's been logged by Honor and is currently on the version 16.11. So here I'm setting my country, and then let me connect it to my Mac tool, because the Mina tool is only for Mac. So you have to connect it with the Mac. Now make sure you have the MacBook or iMac. So here I'm connecting this to my MacBook, and then let's get to my MacBook screen. So after you have to connect the phone in the Mac, always you have to check for the SIM lock. So we have the tool here, Mina SIM lock. We open, and as you can see the device 16.11 version, and you check the SIM lock status. This is the very important part, and as you can see there, check its success and your device is supported full bypass. Okay, so click OK, and we close this Mina SIM lock. And now you have to open the main tool. Main tool is the Mina activator Ramdisk. Mina Ramdisk activator. Here you can see the iPhone connections connected, iOS version. You can see the UID, SN number, IMEI number, and MAID number. All you have to do is, when in registration, you need to put the SN, this serial number you have to. I will show you the website in the description box where you can register the Mina Ramdisk activator tool for version 15, iOS 16, instant registration. So after the registration, you click on enter on recovery mode, and you can see my device will go to the recovery mode. Device is entering recovery mode. You can see device is in recovery mode, and now we have to put it in the DFU mode. So now it's time to enter the DFU mode step. But before we enter DFU mode, I have to tell you how you have to enter the DFU mode. So for the DFU mode, you have to hold the power button and the side button together for I think for the 3 seconds, and then we release the power button and keep holding the volume down button until the DFU mode is gone. So you have to hold the power button and side button for the 3 seconds and release power button and keep holding volume down button until it is go to the DFU mode. So here you have to click enter DFU mode. You hold power button and side button, and you release the power button and continue pressing the volume down. In DFU mode, I already told you have to hold the power button, this power button, and the side button. So you have to hold it power button and side button until the recovery mode gone, and to release the power button and keep pressing. So you see they are writing the device found in the DFU mode, and it is patching it. You have to cancel the stop here. And you have to see until device is successfully booted to the SSH Ramdisk, and here it is waiting for the connection with device. You have to wait until the phone is boot up in the hello screen, and then we will continue to activate the device. So you can see the device has been boot up here in my screen. You see the device has been boot up here after the jailbreaking, and it is still connected in my MacBook, and I'm still showing you now to activate the device. So here now you have to click the activate device. Click activate device. And you see there up right, the device was successfully activated, and now the device is rebooting. As you can see here in my phone, device is rebooting again, and now you have to continue, just to have to set up the device and start using it. So I'm showing you how you can set up the device. So I'm waiting device to be boot, and here you start taking the languages here and putting the phone forward so you can see clearly what I'm trying to do. Setting my language here, I'm setting the language, continue. So continue, data continue, and later passcode, will say the passcode later. Don't use. Do not transfer. Set up later in setting. Don't use. We accept the conditions. Continue. Welcome to iPhone. And tada! iPhone 16 has fully bypassed. iPhone 16, iOS 16.11, full bypass with Mina supported. Full bypass. You can see I'm using my phone like the new one. And here you can see the current version of the iOS device. You see it is clearly 16.11 iPhone X. So hope you guys like this video, share this video, and I hope you guys to subscribe my channel, because the subscription is very low, so it's giving me the boost if you subscribe my channel. Thank you.